Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview the EAAZPOOL Solar Pool Ionizer. This solar-powered pool purifier and sanitizer keep your swimming pool's water clear with little to no chlorine, resulting in an eco-friendly and cleaner swimming pool, generating ions to protect your pool against the elements by transforming your water into biologically healthy mineral water. EAAZPOOL Solar Ionizer Replacement Kit for 35,000 to 45,000 gallon pools includes copper anode, basket screen, spring, and screw. Product benefits. Never again will you worry about damage to hair, skin, or eyes. With our 1-year replacement warranty, if your unit is ever broken or stops working, we will replace it for free for the first year. Perfect for all swimming pool types from salt or chlorine to above or in-ground up to 45,000 gallons. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.